Alright guys, here we are. So the Galaxy S24 Plus with Samsung. You can see Onyx Black version. Just got this in from Samsung. As you can see, kind of simple box, not really much to it. S24 on the side. You know, the great thing about this one is that it's the kind of Goldilocks between the S24 and the S24 Ultra. I believe the Ultra is going to be a little bit too big with those sharp corners. I think this one's going to be a little bit better. Man, that is a nice kind of gray. It's more of a gray in real life. And, you know, in certain types of light and at night, you're going to get some blues and purples off of it. So it's a little bit more gray than black. But you can kind of see the rest of the box here is nothing in the bottom portion. And then in the top here, you're going to find, and you're going to find the SIM ejection tool along with the quick start guide. And it's also going to come with the USB-C cord. This isn't any type of braided cord. It is just going to be kind of your standard Samsung cord. And also doesn't come with any type of quick charging brick in the box. So pretty standard there for Samsung. Kind of no surprise for what we've been looking at in these past few generations now. Let's just take a second here to admire this. You know, the one thing I do love about these phones, when they come out of the factory, they are pristine and perfect. You don't even want to touch them. But of course, we're going to get fingerprints all over here. You know, the side rails, fantastic quality. You know, on this side you have your power button, your volume rocker, as well as your millimeter wave band. 3-camera array on the back is what Samsung is known for now. The quality, they did step up just a little bit. They don't really have any improvements on the cameras, but the processing is improved from year over year. We're going to power this thing on now, kind of get it started for you. And that is one good looking phone. The reflections picking off of it, very high quality materials. Standard Samsung welcome screen. I'm going to get you through all this stuff right now, so let's just kind of skip through till we can get to the main screen. All right, here we are back. This shows all the advanced intelligence features for the Samsung. Of course, we have all of our permissions. Whether you like it or not, you're going to click through them. I generally like the light setup versus the dark setup, but for me, either one looks great on this phone. Very high quality phone. Can't wait to use it. Thanks for watching. I'll get you on the next one.